Keyboard shortcuts for YouTube videos. To play or pause, press K. Do it with me. Press K now. Rewind 10 seconds, press J. Press J 2 or 3 times and see what happens. Fast forward 10 seconds, press L, but hit J to come back. Previous frame while paused, press comma. You can press comma multiple times. Next frame while paused, press period. You can press period multiple times. Slow down video, press shift and comma at the same time. Speed up video, press shift and period at the same time. To seek a specific point in the video, press 0 through 9. Pressing 0 brings you back to the start. Pressing 5 brings you 50% through the video. Pressing 7 brings you 70% through the video. And pressing 9 brings you 90% through the video. Try it. Go back and forth between 0 and 9. For closed captions and subtitles, press C. To adjust the caption's opacity levels, press O. I'll keep talking so that you have some captions to adjust while you're pressing O. Keep pressing O until you find the right adjustment for the opacity level. You can always dial this in later. Let's move on. Caption window opacity levels, press W. I'll keep talking so that you can press W and control the opacity levels for the caption window. This is a lot like controlling the opacity levels for the captions, only the captions are inside a window and you're controlling the window opacity. To show the video in full screen, use the F key. Use the F key again to exit full screen. Use the T key to get in and out of theater mode. And use the I key to show the video in mini player. And use the I key again to exit mini player. To mute and unmute the video, use the M key. I haven't gotten this feature to work for me yet, but you're supposed to be able to press the Shift key and the P key at the same time to go to the previous video. Wait until the end of this video to try it. Don't do this one yet either, wait till the end of the video. But to get to the next video, press the Shift key and the N key at the same time. I'll put all this information in the video description so that you can use it as a reference. This is how we do it, and until next time, thanks for watching.